Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an admin or a team member from your Klaviyo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to remove an admin from your Klaviyo account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you work with a lot of different VAs, and sometimes they decide to go a different way with their career, so you have to remove them from your Klaviyo account. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Klaviyo account, and this is the home screen. Now, if you need to remove admin access, what you're going to do is click on your company name down here on the bottom left. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click on Settings. It looks like a little gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu across the top. You want to make sure it's clicked on Account. Once you've clicked on Account, you'll see this menu here, and you want to click on Users. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all the different admins or team members in your Klaviyo account. You can see I just have these two. Well, it's just me and this person. Now, in order to remove access, what you're going to do is look for their name, and then off to the right, you're going to see these three dots. Just click on there, and next you want to click on Delete User. It's the red button. Okay, next you'll get this warning. Are you sure you want to go ahead and delete this admin from your Klaviyo account? If so, click on the red button once again. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that team member has been removed. They no longer have access to my Klaviyo. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove an admin or a team member from your Klaviyo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.